In today's video, let me show you how to open a SAB Bank account Saudi Arabia. Now, in order to do this, you need to download the application of SAB Mobile onto your device, and once the application has been downloaded, you can see the option called Open a New Account being displayed. Now, if you're trying to create a new bank account, you can tap on this one. However, if you're just trying to register for the online banking, you could head over to the login or register option, head over to the registration, and then just fill in the information, which is your account number, the issue number, and the card PIN. But however, as I said, if you're trying to create a account or a bank account within this platform, head over to create new account, and then you just need to enter in your national ID, and then you need to authenticate or accept the request within the Nafath application. So if you don't yet already have the Nafath application installed or logged in, make sure you do, because you just need to accept the request once you add in your details in this section. Everything is complete. You need to set up your credentials, which is going to be the username and the password. So that's the way on how you do it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.